Whoa, cógelo suave, señor. Aguante el burro. Guys, it's Mike from Urban English, and you guessed it. Today's expression is about taking a pill. Take a pill, amigo. Take a pill. When you take a pill, you are tomando una pastilla. But the expression really means aguante el burro, or cógelo suave. Another way you could say that in English might be, hey, pump your brakes, buddy. Pump your brakes. Or, whoa, chill out. Yeah, so the next time you're in a situation where somebody is going cuckoo, you say, hey, buddy, take a pill. Whoa. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this expression. And as always, if you have any other ones you want me to look at, just let me know in the comments below. And otherwise, guys, have a fantastic Friday.